Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find like security sections. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to find more security settings, and as you can see on the third position we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. Here, almost at the very bottom, we've got the clear credentials option, so the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, your device will ask you to enter the pattern, PIN or password to confirm the whole step, so let's do it. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got also the evidence this option is not available anymore, which simply means that we successfully removed all certificates. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.